Every single day, you probably tell yourself the exact same thing. I really need to learn AI. So you sit down, you open up your browser, you run a search, and what happens? You are just instantly hit with an absolute wall of noise. I mean, we're talking 1,000 new tools popping up overnight, 100 different courses promising to make you a millionaire, and absolutely zero clear direction. And then, you open up your social media and it somehow gets even worse. Everyone around you is suddenly an AI guru. They're all selling masterclasses, master prompt lists, expensive software subscriptions. They're all basically screaming at you, use this, buy that, don't miss out. So, what do most of us actually do? We get overwhelmed, we close the tab, and we go right back to scrolling. Look, if this sounds like you, your feelings are completely valid. You aren't failing. This system right now is literally designed to overwhelm you. Without a structured path, you are meant to feel lost. And that overwhelm, that's exactly why 90% of people are still afraid of AI. So if you're sitting there feeling paralyzed by all this, you are definitely not alone. And the absolutely crucial point I want to make here is this. It's not because you aren't smart enough, and it is certainly not because you're too old or too late to the game. It is simply because you don't know where to start or which direction to move. You need a map before you start driving, plain and simple. So here is your antidote to that chaos. Welcome to Boujele Easy, your free chill and learn platform built for you. Today is the part 2 of AI Foundation. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, go watch it first. Link is in the description. In part 1, the AI Survival Guide, we talked about the reality, alarming AI job cuts, the fear, the roadblocks, the basics of AI, the partnership of human and AI, and the roadmap. Today, we are going deep into your complete 4-week roadmap, built specifically to take you from total AI beginner to someone who can start earning with AI by week 4. Week 1 is your AI foundation, getting familiar and learning how to properly talk to the AI. Week 2 is integration, actually plugging AI into your real daily tasks to save you hours of time. Week 3 is systems, building workflows once so they just run on autopilot. And week 4 is results and earning, turning all of this into real opportunities. No complex theory, no heavy coding, just hands-on application. And for today, we are focusing strictly and entirely on week 1. If you are new to Boujele Easy, join us at boujeleeasy.github.org for free so that you can learn AI skills easily in one website. Everything for free. November 2022, ChatGPT launched and changed the tech world overnight. 1 million users in 5 days. 100 million in just 2 months. One of the fastest adoptions in tech history. The shockwave forced giants like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon into an all-out AI race. And now in 2026, thousands of AI tools are popping up every single day, all screaming for your attention. And that is why you feel lost. But don't worry, you don't need to master hundreds of tools. For this first week, we are going to stick with 3 tools, and 3 tools only. Number 1 is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Number 2 is Claude by Anthropic, and number 3 is Gemini by Google. Right now, your very first action item is to install these 3 free apps on your phone or bookmark them on your laptop. Sign up with your email. It takes literally 2 minutes. And hear me on this, you do not need the premium paid plans to start. Free is more than enough. These are the 3 most powerful AI assistants in the world, and they're just sitting right there waiting for your command. Okay, so now that you have the tools, we arrive at the absolute most critical part of this entire week, how you actually talk to them. AI understands natural language, so you don't need to code. Saying write me an email or plan my trip is totally fine. But here's the brutal truth. Garbage in, garbage out. When you give AI a really vague prompt, it doesn't stop and ask you to clarify what you mean. It just assumes. And then it jumps straight to giving you a completely wrong answer, confidently and shamelessly. This is what we call hallucination. It sounds totally real, but it's factually incorrect. So remember, your output is entirely dependent on your input. Let's move to section 3, the superpower. This is the RCTF Framework. Now, this framework is the absolute secret that professionals use to guarantee high quality answers every single time. RCTF. R stands for role. You have to tell the AI who to be. For example, say, act as a senior software engineer, and instantly it switches into pro mode. C is for context. Give it some background. Who are you? What are your specific challenges? The more context you provide, the better the answer. T is for task. Tell it exactly what to do. Create a 7-day plan. Be highly, highly specific. And F is for format. How do you want this presented? In bullet points, an Excel table, a professional tone? Because the exact same answer in the wrong format is practically useless to you. All right, section 4. Let's look at bad versus RCTF prompts so you can really see the difference in action. Let's take situation 1. You're a small business owner. A truly bad prompt is simply typing, "Help me grow my business." The AI has no clue what you sell or what your budget is, so the result is just super generic. But apply RCTF. Role, business growth strategist. Context, you're a catering business wanting to scale from 5 to 20 clients with absolutely zero ad budget. Task, create a step-by-step growth plan. Format, a weekly numbered roadmap. It's the exact same tool, but you get a completely different, highly actionable result. How about situation 2? You're a student. If you just go in and type, explain Newton's laws, you are going to get a 500-word wall of totally boring text. But with RCTF, you assign it the role of a fun physics teacher. The context is 9th grade exam prep. The task is to explain all 3 laws using sports examples, and the format is 1 law at a time followed by quiz questions. See the difference? You haven't just searched for basic info, you've engineered a fully personalized interactive tutor. And situation 3, you're a content creator. Typing, "Give me video ideas," is going to generate random, totally useless noise. But with RCTF, you set the role to YouTube growth strategist. You give context about your healthy food vlog. You ask for a task of 10 optimized titles, and you format it as a numbered list. At this point, you aren't just brainstorming, you are essentially building a highly strategic content calendar. Let's roll right into section 5, Pro Secrets, how to work like a boss. So mastering RCTF is really just the beginning. I want to give you 3 advanced secrets that truly separate the beginners from the AI-powered professionals. Secret number 1, AI understands way more than just text. You can use voice to text, upload photos of handwritten notes, or drop in massive documents. Seriously, don't overthink typing it all out. Just explain things naturally. Secret number 2 is a massive time saver. Use AI to write your RCTF prompts. Just tap the microphone on ChatGPT and say, "Hey, I need to plan a trip. Ask me questions to write a perfect RCTF prompt for this." Boom. Then you copy that perfect prompt into Claude and Gemini. And secret number 3, build a prompt library. When you get an amazing result, save that prompt template in a folder. It'll quickly become your most valuable professional asset. All of this leads to a really fundamental mindset shift, and I want you to hear this loud and clear. You are not here to do the work. You are here to give the work. You literally have 3 personal assistants on your phone right now. They are free, they never sleep, and your only job from this moment forward is to be their boss. And that brings us to section 6, the activation, your 6-day challenge. To truly become that boss, you have to master this foundational skill before we even think about moving on to week 2. So for the next 6 days, here is your daily workflow. 1, give the AI your first RCTF prompt. 2, check the output and keep refining the prompt until the result is exactly what you envisioned. 3, ask the AI to clean up that final prompt for you. 4, save that master prompt to your new prompt library. And 5, copy that exact same prompt across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Compare them side by side. See which one formats better for you and which one follows your instructions best. This is exactly how you're going to learn the unique nuances of each of your new assistants. So I'm challenging you to take action right now. Complete 10 real-world tasks using this exact workflow over the next week. And when you started building your library, I want you to comment #PromptLibrary below. Remember, taking control of AI starts entirely with taking control of your instructions. Master this foundation this week, because next week in phase 2, we are going to take these exact prompts and use them to completely automate your daily workflow. The question isn't whether AI will do your job. The question is, will you be the one directing it? Get to work, and I will see you in week 2.